Now today I have discussed maximum power transfer theorem. Maximum power transfer theorem. Okay. According to this theorem, our mode to determine maximum power corresponding to load. Okay. Corresponding to load. In short form, that is MPTT. Clear? So suppose that is a voltage source. Okay. If this is a voltage source, then you know that series impedance also exists. Because of this one is a practical voltage source. That's why ZS, and that is VS. Okay. Now, if load is connected, that is ZL. Lot of possibility here. ZL and XL both are changes, or only RL changes or XL changes. Okay. So we have considered first case, if both RL and XL both are changes. Case first. ZL, this is equal to Rn plus XL, both variable. Both are variable. Okay. If both are vary, means what about it is written as like this one. What about current? If you want to write current, then I is written as Vs divided by Zs plus Zl, and Vs divided by Zs is written as Rs plus J, and this one is also written as RL plus JXL. Okay, so it is written as Vs divided by Rs plus RL plus J. Okay. Now, clear? What about current in magnitude wise? That is Vs divided by Rs plus RL to the whole square plus, clear? That is under root of Rs plus RL to the whole square plus Xs plus XL to the whole square. Clear? Now our motto, determine power. Okay. So power, load power, you can say that is load power. Load power is written as P, this is equal to I square into RL. So if you written here, that is mod Vs to the whole square into RL divided by Rs plus RL to the whole square plus, that is P. Okay. Now for maximum power transfer to the load, that is here RL and XL both are changes. In that case we have differentiate with XL, this is equal to 0, and dP divided by dRL is also 0, because of, I know that in mathematics f of xy is the function. If f is the function of xy, then and x and y both are variable, then how to determine maximum power? With the help of f of differentiation of f divided by x, it is to x, and again with respect to y, this both are equal to 0. Then find x and y. Clear or not? If any feel doubt corresponding to that portion, then tell me. Okay. Then tell me, sir, I face the problem. Okay. Now first of all, differentiate this one with respect to XL. So dP by dXL, this is equal to, if differentiate with respect to XL, then we got this one and this one is constant, So it is written as Vs square into RL, and this one is dp by xl. This is Rs plus RL to the whole square plus xl to the whole square to whole power minus 1. Okay, now that is Vs square into RL. Now that is Rs plus RL to the whole square minus 2. Now if differentiate this one, then Rs plus RL, okay, this be equal to 0. If this be equal to 0, then Ss plus XL this be equal to 0. We got XL this be equal to minus Ss. Okay, means corresponding to, if this one is 0, then we got SL this be equal to minus Ss. Okay. Okay, now if you feel any problem, then tell me, sir, I face the problem, or according to this one. Simply differentiation. This one is a differentiation. Okay, so now if this value put in this equation, everything is clear. Now if this value XL this be equal to minus XS put here, then this one is 0. Then we got P this be equal to RL divided by RS plus RL to the whole square. Clear? Now again differentiate with respect to d by drl. Okay, if differentiate with respect to RL, then we got this one is a constant, so it is written as DRL, that is RL divided by RS plus RL to the whole square. Okay, now mod Vs square. Now first into two RS plus RL. Okay, if differentiate this one, then we got 2 into RS plus RL minus RL is 1, differentiation of RL with respect to RL, that is 1, and this one is RS plus RL. Okay, divided by whatever RS plus RL to the whole power 4. Okay, so if this one is 0 and RS plus RL is the common, and we got 2 times RL minus, that is whole square, minus RS minus RL, this be equal to 0. So finally RL this be equal to RS. Okay, so finally we got dP divided by DRL this be equal to 0. Then we got RL this be equal to RS. Okay, corresponding to that reason we got like this one. Clear? Everything is clear or not? Now, so what about current? What about current at that time? That is Vs divided by, if that is first of all written as ZS is RS plus JXL. Okay. Now what about ZL? ZL is RL plus JXL. Okay. Now ZL this will be equal to RL is equal to RS at maximum power transfer, and XL is minus JX. It means this is ZS conjugate. That is ZS conjugate. Why? If ZS is like this one, then ZS conjugate is RS minus JX. So you can say that in case of maximum power transfer, load impedance is nothing but conjugate of source impedance. Okay, conjugate that is, this one is a source impedance, this one is the conjugate of source impedance. Okay, so written as ZL is equal to ZS. Okay, that is conjugate of source impedance, that is source impedance, If you feel any problem regarding to this one, then tell me, sir, I face the problem. Everything is clear or not? Okay. What is the meaning of this one? Means if ZS is inductive, that is positive, means that is inductive. And that case, what about ZL? ZL is, we got, if this one is inductive, then we got negative, means capacitive. Similarly, if ZS is negative, means that is capacitive. During maximum power transfer, what about XL? That is positive, that is inductive. Clear or not? You can say that, suppose that if ZS is equal to 3 plus J4, then what about ZL? Corresponding to maximum power, that is 3 minus J4, simply. Okay, so first of all determine corresponding to that question source. First of all, any network converted into voltage source and series impedance. After that, series impedance is equal to the conjugate of series impedance. ZL is the conjugate of series impedance in case of maximum power transfer. Okay, then we got answer. If corresponding to ask what about series impedance and whatever corresponding to ZL. Okay, so first of all make it. Now another way, what about current? Maximum current. Okay, put here, this one and this one are cancelled out, only 2 RS. Because of RS, this is equal to RL. This one is 0 because of XL, this is equal to minus XL. XL is equal to minus SS, that's why this one is 0, and RL is equal to RS, that's why that is 2 RS. Written, that is 2 RS. Clear? Okay. Now what about power? Maximum power transfer to the load, that is Pmax. Pmax is written as I square into RL. So we got mod divided by 4 RS and RL are same, so you can say that RL square into RL. So finally we got Vs upon simply RL this equal to RS, so 4 RS mod of like this one. Clear or not? That is P max. Maximum power transfer to the load, P max, this be equal to like this one. Okay. Now another way, what about P input? That is I square into RS plus RL. Okay. I is mod Vs divided by 2 RS to the whole square, and that is 4 RS, that is 2 RS. So we written as this be equal to Vs to the whole square upon 2 times RS, though P in. So what about efficiency? P max divided by P input. P max, that is Vs divided by 4 RS, Vs square divided by 4 RS mod of this one divided by 2 RS. So that is 0.5, means 50%. Okay. What is significant? Means if you use maximum power corresponding to any machine or transformer, okay, then what about efficiency? Efficiency is half. Okay, very poor efficiency. So never use corresponding to maximum power, because of 50% losses are created, that's why efficiency is very poor. Okay, so if you use corresponding maximum efficiency corresponding to load, full load, at rated load, or you can say the full load. If you utilize machine full efficiency, if you want to corresponding to, we got efficiency at maximum efficiency, then we corresponding to at rated load and full load. I have already discussed in transformer, that's why. Clear or not? If you feel any doubt, then tell me, sir, I face the problem. Otherwise I will move. Okay, so this is the case first. This is case first. If in case of load ZL is vary corresponding to RL and XL, then what is the effect of power? Okay, now, but most of the question not given corresponding to this one. Always question given like a network, this one, and load connected here, ZL. Okay, and asking what about ZL corresponding to maximum power. Okay, so if this type of question is given, then suppose that is A and B. Okay, first of all, if this circuit make like that, means this is ZS and that is plus minus VTH. First of all, make ZTH and VTH, and then this is A and this is B. Corresponding to AB, this network, a linear bilateral network, can be represented like VTH and ZTH, and after that AB, that is ZL, is connected here. Okay, now this is the Thevenin's, this one is the Thevenin's equivalent, this one is the Thevenin's equivalent. Okay, after that means I know that how to convert it, how can determine VTH and how can determine ZTH. After that connect ZL and determine what about ZL. ZL is, I know that VS conjugate, so that is ZTH conjugate. Okay, so means ZTH is RTH plus JXTH. So conjugate of this one is RZTH minus JXTH. Clear or not? What about ZL? for maximum power. Okay, so what about P max? P max this will be equal to, I know that mod Vs to the whole square divided by 4 Rs. Okay, now corresponding to this one, that is written as Vth to the whole square divided by 4 Rth. So okay, if asked corresponding to what about maximum power, then Vth to the whole square divided by 4 Rth. How to get it? Clear or not? If any doubt correspond that one, then tell me, sir, I face the problem. Anyone face the problem, then first of all make it. After that we have focus on questions. How can make which type, how to solve maximum power transfer theorem based problem. Okay, so first of all make it. If you face any problem, then tell me, and after that we have solve questions. Okay, find ZL as maximum power in it. Okay, find ZL and maximum power corresponding to maximum power. Okay, ZL means here connected, that is ZL. That is ZL. Our motto determine ZL. How can determine ZL? So first of all equipment are remove it. First of all, this one is removed. Okay. How can determine ZL? I know that clear. Our motto determine P max, ZL and P max and P max. P max. How can determine ZL? If whole network is represent like Thevenin's equivalent. Okay, I know that I have already discussed. Suppose that a network that is A and B, okay, a linear bilateral network. Then if you represent like VTH and in series impedance ZTH. Okay, that is corresponding to AB. First of all, this whole equipment represent like this one. Okay, now before first step, how can determine VTH and after that ZTH? So we are focused on VTH. How can determine VTH? If you want to determine VTH, then make the circuit once again. That is 10 ohm and that is 3, and this impedance, sorry, that is minus J 10 ohm, and here that is J 4 ohm, and that is 3 ohm, and that is 10 ohm, and that is plus minus 5 at the angle 10 at volt. Okay, and this one, that is A and that is B, that is plus minus VTH. Our motto determine VTH. So first of all, if you determine VTH corresponding to load, then load is removed. Load is removed, and after load is removed, that is open circuit. Okay, then we got VTH. Okay, V of AB, this that voltage across V of AB, that is VTH. So how can determine VTH? Very simple. Apply current, that is plus minus, that is minus to plus, minus 5 at the angle 10, minus 5 at the angle 10 degree, minus plus 10 into I plus 3 into I plus J 4 into I, this will be equal to 0. So what about I? I this will be equal to 5 at the angle 10 divided by 13 plus J 4. Okay, so 5 at the angle 10 degree divided by 13 plus 4I, it is written as 13.601 at the angle 17.102. That is, first of all, 5 divided by 13. Sorry, everything is clear or not? Okay, 13.601 we got, that is 0.367. 6 at the angle minus 7, 10, that is minus 7, 7.102 ampere, that is I. Okay, our next target. What is our next target? Our next target is VTH. So apply KVL at that loop. Okay, minus to plus, minus VTH. Okay, from plus to minus, plus to minus. So plus 3 plus J4 into I, this will equal to 0. So VTH, this will equal to 3 plus J4. Voltage across this one is 0 because of no current flow here. So if you want to retain, then 0. Clear? So VTS, this will equal to 3 plus J4 into I. So 3 plus J4 into I is 0.3676 at the angle minus 7.102. Okay, now that is 5 at the angle 53.1. Okay, and this one is 0.376 at the angle minus 7.102. So okay, 0.3676 at the angle minus 7.102 into 5 at the angle 53.1. So finally we got, that is 1.838 at the angle 45.998. This is the final answer, that is VTH. So clear? Now our next target is ZTH. How can determine ZTH? So first of all, this one is removing this one, this one, this one, and this one also. Okay, so what is the procedure of how can determine ZTH? ZTH is, if you determine ZTH, means voltage source, all independent source are reduced to 0, means voltage is short circuited and current is open circuited. Okay, first this one 10 ohm, clear, and this one is short circuited, and this is 3 ohm plus 4 J4, this one is J4 ohm, and this one is minus J10, and that is ZTH. Okay, so what about ZTH? Written as, this one and this one are parallel, so 10 is parallel to 3 plus J4 and minus J10. Okay, this one is written as 10 at the angle minus 90. Okay, plus this is 10 into 3 plus J4 divided by 13 plus J4. Okay, now 10 at the angle minus 90 plus 10 into, this one is written as 5 at the angle 51.1, sorry 51, not 51, 53, wait, 3 plus 4 I is written as 5 at the angle 53, sorry 53.13. Okay, so it is written as 50 divided 50 into 50 at the angle 53.13. now divide by 13 plus 4j, it is written as 13.6014 at the angle 17.107. Okay, so it is 10 at the angle minus 90 plus, now 50 divided by 50 at the angle 53.13, okay, divided by 13.6014 at the angle 17.107. okay, it is written as, that is 3.676 at the angle 36.023. now finally plus 10 at the angle minus 90, it is written as 8.383 at the angle minus 69.22. okay, 69.22, that is ZTH. so it is written as ZTH is, we got 8.383 at the angle 69.22 ohm. now it is written in the terms of A plus real 2.973 minus at the angle minus J 7.838, okay, ohm, that is ZTH. clear or not? so finally you can say that AB corresponding, first of all make it, if you in doubt then tell me, sir, I face the problem. At that point explain again. Remove it, this one, this one. so finally what about ZTH? ZTH is 1.838 at the angle 45.998, or you can say that that is 46, it is 46 degree volt, and ZTH is like this one. so finally you can say that this whole circuit corresponding to AB, you can represent like, that is ZTH and that is plus minus VTH, represent like, that is ZTH and that is VTH, clear? corresponding to AB, that is A and B. okay, now ZTH is 2.973 minus J 7.838, and this one is written as 8.38 at the angle 46 degree. clear? now after that I know that I have already said, if according to maximum power transfer, our motor determine ZL according to maximum power transfer, for you can say that for maximum power transfer through load, ZL is written as ZTH conjugate of ZTH. so this condition, so conjugate of this one is written as 2.973 plus J 7.838. clear or not? Why? I have already discussed why ZL this is equal to conjugate of ZTH. clear? so ZTH ZL is like this one. so what about ZL? that is 2.973 plus J 7.838 ohm. This is the final answer. After that our next target, what about P max? I know that P max this is equal to VTH square divided by 4 RTH. so what about VTH? VTH is for magnitude, in magnitude wise, only magnitude wise. so 1.838 to the whole square divided by 4 into RTH. RTH is, that is 2.973. This one is RTH and this one is XTH. If you ask what about RTH, that is written as 2.973 ohm, and what about XTH? XTH is 7.838 ohm. Clear or not? So if you face the problem regarding to this one, then tell me, sir, I face the problem at that point or that line. Okay. Now 1.838 to the whole square, like this one, divided by 4, again divide by 2.973, then we got 0 point. So this one is P max. P max is, we got 0.284077 watt. That is the final answer. Okay, you can use another method also. First of all, make it. What is the another method? If you apply basic formula, what is the basic formula? After making this one, this is connected to ZL also. Okay, so what about I? Corresponding to maximum power, this I is I max, corresponding to maximum power, VTH divided by ZTH plus ZL. Clear? VTH is written like this one. What about ZTH? That is RTH plus JXTH, and this one is RL minus JXL. I know that I have already proved it. XL is equal to sorry, like this one. XL is equal to, for maximum power transfer, RL is equal to RTH. So if this value put here, then ZTH divided by, if root this one and this one are cancelled out because of this one, and this one is also RTH, so it is written as 2 RTH. Okay, so what about, that is 1.838 at the angle of 46 degree divided by 2 into RTH. What about RTH? That is 2.973. Okay, now 1.838 divided by 2.973, like this one, divided by 2. Okay, so that is 0.309 at the angle 46 degree. That is I max. Okay, that is I max. Clear or not? Now our next target, what about P max? You can also apply. P max is I max square mod of, always consider, into RL. RL is equal to RTH, so it is written as 0.09 into to the whole square. What about RL? RL is again, that is RL, and that is RL, that is 2.973. Okay, so 0.309 to the whole square, like this one, divide, sorry, to the whole square into 2.973, that is 0.2838 watt. Okay, like this one. So finally, in both case, answer is same. Okay, in both case, apply, follow this method, VTH square divided by 4 RTH, or I max into RTH or RL. In with the help of both cases, with the help of both method, you can find both both answer is correct. Okay, first of all make it, after that we have focus on another. If you face the problem, then tell me, sir, I face the problem. Okay. Now, case second. Case second. Okay. Suppose that case second, in case of this method, load ZL, this be equal to RL plus JXL, or simply RL, but XL is constant but RL is change. If RL is change, then ZL is also change. If RL is change, then means resistive load, okay, R change, but XL is constant. Sometime XL is 0, sometime maybe some question XL is not given. Okay. Clear or not? If you face any problem, then tell me, sir, I face the problem. Again explain. Okay. Now suppose that is plus minus Vs, okay, and here that is Zs. Zs is written as Rs plus Jx. Okay. Suppose that R and Rs plus S1. Suppose that, and this one is represent like ZL. ZL is RL plus JXL. This one is vary only. So if RL is changed, then XL is also changed. Okay. This one you can represent also. This one is a constant and this one is constant. You can make like this one once again. Suppose that ZS is written as RS plus J S1 plus J XL. Okay, and this one is written as J plus J. Okay, and load here only RL. Okay, sometime given look like sometime question given like this one or sometime like this one. If question given like this one and XL is constant, then make first of all make like this one. First of all, this circuit reduced to that type of circuit. After that, clear or not? If you face any problem, then tell me, sir, I face the problem. Our motto, determine maximum power corresponding to load. Okay, so what about I? I is written as Vs divided by same thing Zs plus RL, or you can say that Zs is written as RL plus J. Clear or not? If you face any problem, then tell me. So what about magnitude? Mod Vs whole divided by RL plus Rs to the whole square plus xs to the whole square. Clear? Under root of this one. First of all, it is written corresponding to this one. Now load power. This P this equal to I square into RL. Clear? Now another way, I is written as mod Vs to the whole square RL plus into RL. Okay. Now for maximum power transfer to the load, dP by DRL. This will be equal to 0. Only dp by DRL. Because of only RL is variable, that's why. Now mod Vs to the whole square is constant, so differentiation of this one, if any doubt, then written as RL divided by RL plus RS to the whole square plus divided by DRL. Clear? This will be equal to 0. Now if this one is differentiate, we got RL into, that is 2 times RL plus RS plus 0, okay, minus differentiation of this one is 0, so simply RL plus RS to the whole square minus S to the whole square divided by whole power 4, this will be equal to 0, means RL plus RS to the whole square plus, okay, 4. Clear or not? Now if multiply by here RL, okay, it is clear or not? Now this one is RS and RL minus RS, first of all written as RS plus RL plus RS to RL to the whole square plus XS to the whole square minus 2 times RL into RL plus RS to the, this will be equal to 0. Clear? Now this one and this one, if RL plus RS is common, that is RL plus RS minus 2RL plus to the whole square. Clear? Now it is clear or not? After that you can write now RS minus RL, and this is RL minus, sorry, RS minus RL, RS minus RL plus X square, this will be equal to 0. So finally minus RL to the whole square plus RS square plus SS square, this will be equal to 0. So what about RL? RL is written as mod of, clear? So RL, finally we got RL is equal to RS plus, clear? You can say that that is mod of ZS. Simply for maximum power transfer corresponding to, if maximum power transfer to the load, then only if RL is equal to mod of ZS. Clear? Tell me if any doubt corresponding to that one, then said tell me. Okay, so we have focus on questions. Okay, first of all make it. Our motto, determine RL for MPT to load. To load, question is given, that is 2 and that is J3, and here is given that is RL, and this one is J4 ohm. Okay, and here voltage source given like this one Vs, simply. So our motto, determine RL. I know that for maximum power PL max, what about RL? RL is under root of mod of ZS. Okay, our motto like this one. So first of all, this whole circuit represent like this one. How can represent? This is J. This circuit also written as, make like this one, plus minus, that is 2 ohm, 3 plus 4, that is 7, J 7 ohm, and after, and that is RL. Okay, clear? This one is ZS. So ZS is written as 2 plus J4 ohm. So mod ZS is written as under root 2 square plus 7, that is 7. Okay, 7 to 7 square under root of 51. So what about RL? RL is 51 under root 51 ohm. This is the final answer. Make it. If you face any problem, then tell me, sir, I face the problem corresponding to that line or whatever. Tell me. This whole discussion corresponding to AC network. Now corresponding to DC network. In BTech first year, most of the problem asking corresponding to DC. Okay, so that is plus minus Vs, that is DC. First of all, DC circuit. Okay, that is RS and that is load RL. Okay, where RL is variable. RL for MPT, maximum power transfer. Okay, our motto, we are focused on RL in DC network, that is DC. So first of all, what about I? Simply I, this equal to Vs divided by RS plus RL. What about power? That is I square into RL. It is written as V square upon RS plus RL to the whole square into RL. Okay, maximum power. For maximum power transfer to the load, dP by dRL, this will equal to 0. So Vs to the whole square dRL divided by RS plus RL to the whole square, okay, divided by RL, this will equal to 0. Now RL into 2 times RS plus RL, okay, minus RS plus RL to the whole square, whole divided by RS plus RL to power 4, this will equal to 0. So RS plus RL is common. If this one is common, then 2 times RL minus RS minus RL, this will equal to 0. So RS minus RL into RS plus RL, this will equal to 0. RL is not possible to minus RL because of resistive, that's why only in case of RS. So simply, what about power? Maximum power, Pmax. Pmax, this will equal to Vs square divided by RS plus RL, both are same, so 2RS to the whole square, that is 4, into, it is written as RS same, so Vs square divided by 4RS, that is Pmax. So clear? And what about current? That is Vs divided by 2RS. So maximum maximum power corresponding to what about current? That is I max is, sorry, that is P, sorry, that is P max and that is I max, like this one. Okay, now but most of the time circuit given like this one, and we got an RL is like this one. So first of all, this circuit is converted into, that is RL, and that is plus minus VTH. Okay, sorry, only VTH, and that is RTH, and that is that terminal connect RL. Clear? So what about Mi max corresponding to that one? That is VTH to the whole square divided by R4 RTH, and RL this is equal to ZTH, sorry, RTH. So maximum power corresponding to this one. What about current? Current is VTH divided by RTH plus RL. Clear or not? And where RL is RTH, then same I max this equal to VTH divided by 2 times RTH. Clear or not? First of all, make it. What is our motto? Our motto: find the value of RL for maximum power transfer and P max also. Okay. So first of all, I know that our motto corresponding to RL, R is given like this one. So first, this circuit can make corresponding to Thevenin's equivalent. So first of all, our motto determine VTH. How can determine VTH? This one is an open circuit. First of all, if this one is an open circuit, now you can solve any method. This circuit you can solve any method. Our motto determine VTH. So follow this procedure or follow this procedure or follow this procedure. If you follow this procedure, then determine current corresponding to this one and this one. Okay. Now, how can solve this problem? So first of all, make, and you can resolve also with the help of current source transformation. Okay, source transformation or with the help of nodal analysis, whatever you can utilize. Plus minus 12 volt, that is 12 volt, that is 6 ohm, and that is 12 ohm, and that is 3 ohm, and that is 2 ampere, and this is 2 ohm, and that is A and that is B. Okay, so if you consider that is 0 volt and this one is considered Vx, suppose that is Vx, and this current suppose as I1, I2, okay, and this current follow in this. To apply KCL at that node, 2 ampere this equal to 2 ampere plus I1 this equal to I2. So 2 this equal to, sorry, 2 plus I1 is written as 0 minus Vx, currently from positive terminal, that's why plus 12 whole divided by 6. Okay, whole divided by 6. This is equal to what about I2? I2 is Vx minus 0 divided by 12. Vx minus 0 divided by 12. So it is written as 6 into, if you multiply by 12 in both sides, then 12 into 2, 24, plus 12 into 2 minus 2 Vx, this is equal to Vx. So that is 3 Vx, this is equal to 24 plus 24, that is 48. So Vx this is equal to 118, so 16. VTS this is equal to 16 volt. Okay, if you face any problem, then tell me. Vs this is equal to 16 volt. Now our next target, our motto, we are focused on this one, plus minus, that is VTH. Okay, so if follow this procedure, then minus VTH, no current flow through here, that's why voltage drop 0. So 3 into 2, 2 into 3, plus why? Because current from positive to negative now, plus 12 I2, this will be equal to 0. So VTH, this will be equal to 6 plus 12 into I2 this will be equal to Vx minus 0 divided by 12, that is, so 16 plus 6, that is 22 volt, that is VTH. VTH is 22 volt. Okay, now what about ZTH? If you determine ZTH, then first of all this one and this one are removed. This is open circuit because current source, that's why open circuit, and voltage is short circuited. This one parallel, so RTH is 12 into 6 divided by, both are parallel, so divided by 18 plus 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 plus, that is 9 ohm. So RTH is 9 ohm, this is RL. So what about RL? We got RTH, that is 9 ohm. Now next one, P max, VTH square divided by 4 RL, ZTH. So 22 to the whole square divided by 4 into 9. Clear? So final answer is 22 to the whole square, like this one, divided by 4, like this one, divided by 9, like this one. So that is 13.44 watt. This is the final answer. Make it. Okay. If you face any problem, then tell me. Otherwise, today class is over. Okay. If you face any problem, then tell me. Otherwise, today class is over. Okay. Make it.